No more caller ride.
Boy, I can't believe it.
You probably could have come closer.
Why you do that?
Cause I didn't want y'all on the caller ride all day. Can't go nowhere and all of that stuff. Now you can go wherever you want, whenever you want.
Why you let her do that?
She had already did it. I told her, but she wanted to do this for you.
Boy. I'm surprised. Nikki, you shouldn't have did it. You shouldn't have did it.
It's okay. It's done.
It is. Boy, that's nice, but I don't want you to reach that far.
Oh no, it's okay. It's not a bad deal.
Boy.
It's easier than getting in a car, isn't it?
That's it, Granny. That's it.
Boy,
I put that little strap thing, lock it down.
Wait a minute, let me make sure this.
Can't believe it.
This is what she wanted to do. I told her to.
Granny, can you lock this side? Lock your wheelchair on that side? It's locked? Okay.
Yeah, it's locked.
Let me ask you this. Is it cold out here?
No, it feels good.
He said it feels good. It's hot.
How do you lock it in?
Okay, so let me.
How would somebody get back there?
You just renting this?
She bought it.
No.
She bought it.
She did.
It's from all the times you saved me from whoopings.
Ain't that nice, man?
Yeah, that's really nice. That's good. She be thinking about her granny.
So these
Boy, I just can't get over this.
Okay, let me do the front. He said never strap him to the wheels, strap it to like the base of the chair.
Okay.
And so, sorry.
Put her, take her foot down. She probably can take her foot down.
Granny, I'm gonna take your foot down. Let me pull this up. Okay. There you go. Is your leg comfortable over here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you just pull it and you put it right. I'm gonna just do right here. Think that's okay?
Yeah.
Like that. And then he said as the car moves, it's gonna tighten up so that way we're moving around and stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna come on the other side and do that one. Okay. And then Granny, when I close the door, this thing we're standing on is gonna fold right here next to you.
Oh, okay.
On the seat.
So are we gonna go for a little short ride?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go lock the door and stuff.
Fix this one, Granny.
Boy, I can't believe it.
I wanted you to be able to, enjoy the rest of your life and get out the house. Now y'all can go on a boat. And then I just didn't like y'all being on that caller ride all day long and late at night.
Yeah.
And then Mama, with her sugar. Ken said he love it.
Who said they love it?
Kim, he just peeked out the door.
Oh, he did.
You can get in right. Oh yeah, or here. Yeah, he just looked out the window.
She can't get up in here.
Yes, ma'am. I get.
She trying. There you go.
Nice high seat back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Okay.
Put your seatbelt on. You gonna reach over and hand me Granny's seatbelt when I lock the door. Close the door.
Okay. Where's my seatbelt?
Okay. So now we're gonna close the door, Granny. So watch your arm. Just want to make sure. Here it comes. Oh wait. Here we go. Right there. Oh, that's not bad. Okay.
Close it by itself.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, hold on.
Can you reach it? Yeah. And then it plugs in right down here.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me plug up.
Eek.
So we can
Where you want to go, Granny? Let's go to Mississippi. Come on.
Going to Mississippi?
Yes.
Yeah.
Gonna kidnap you.
you want to go by Diane's?
No, nobody down there.
You want to go to by Diane's house?
Yeah, we can ride over that way.
Yeah.
We go to that
Yeah.
Dollar Tree over there
Yeah.
by Jennings. Wherever, you know, got enough gas and everything.
Yeah. They tore down the White Castles? Oh, it's right there. That used to be the movie theater, right? You like your new car?
Yeah. Yeah. It's your car. You just gonna take me to doctor and back. It's your car.
We sharing it.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm glad. I'm glad. Somebody take me to the doctor and back to the house. That's all I need. And I appreciate it. I appreciate this. I really do.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot easier on everybody.
Yeah.